Stop going to Dollar General and Family Dollar buying that candy with all that high fructose corn syrup in it.
I don't know what you just said. Okay, baby, which one you gonna try?
They all look so good.
I know.
I think I'm gonna try one of these cookies right here.
Good choice.
I'm going for the white chocolate covered red velvet. Look at that.
Mmm.
Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 That is amazing. This is really good. That is amazing. So get a picture of that. Okay, so today's a very special day for couples, married couples, to be exact. I call it Chocolate Candy Day. Some people call it Valentine's Day. I call it Chocolate Candy Day. What you call it, baby?
Hey.
She's so excited to be on camera. Look. But listen, Taisha and myself, what we're going to do is we're going to do some chocolate covered strawberries. We're doing some red velvet creams. We're going to dip them in some white chocolate. I got milk chocolate, dark chocolate, got some white chocolate. Now, I saw some Valentine ding dongs. For those of you who like ding dongs, I bet you didn't know that they came in Valentine ding dongs.
It's a Valentine ding dong.
A Valentine ding dong. Ain't that something? Now look, I'm not trying to be profound, people. This is what it says. This is Hostess Valentine ding dongs. But listen, that's special. So I got some of them, and we're gonna, eat some of those while we make our own candy. And I know some of y'all went all out and bought candy with the heart box and all that. But we making our own, right, baby?
Yes.
Okay, so while Taisha is getting ready, she got an apron. We got a special thing. We giving away this apron right here. So you're gonna have to subscribe to my channel, and I'll give you further details as we go on with this video. But this is nice. She does tie-dye, and in the description below you'll be able to see the information for you to win this tie-dye apron. Right, baby?
Yep.
All right. So what we do first is we get a pot of water. We got it boiling. Got it on high. 2 miniature pots that we're gonna sit up here and steam our chocolate, because we actually don't need to put direct heat when we're doing chocolate. Okay. She also made a honey bun cake. Look at that. Okay, so in this small pot, we're gonna put the white chocolate, and in this one I'm gonna put the dark chocolate. So you're gonna break the white chocolate up, and you want to put it in your pot. And this is the milk chocolate. Break that up and put that in there. It might have got to the heat. I don't know. We're gonna see how that comes out. Okay. Now we're gonna put the white chocolate first. Turn it down some. Okay, people, so as you can see, it's starting to melt. See that? Look at that. It don't take long before it melt on out. And you don't want it to stay up there too long. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and take this off. Then add the chocolate, the dark chocolate. Cross between dark chocolate and milk chocolate, however you want to say it. And let that spin. You can see the white chocolate is ready. Dark chocolate or milk chocolate, we're still working on that. We ain't worried about that right now. Right now we know we have this white chocolate ready. And we got a strawberry skew. Did I say that right, baby?
Skewer.
Skewer, duh. And you just dip it. That's all. Get it in there, man. Look at that. Let it rest. Alright, I'm gonna do a couple more. It's a big one right there. You see that?
Yeah.
Going in with this one. We'll have a double dip on this one. Alright. Almost forgot, people. We got some sprinkles. We're gonna add a little bit of excitement to the white chocolate, okay? So I'm gonna go in with the strawberry like so. And then I'm gonna come over here to these sprinkles. Now watch this now. Look at that. Huh? Right? Look at that. All over the floor and everything. Don't even worry about it. Just stick it in there, man. Okay. Now the milk chocolate is finally melting. I don't know why it takes so long for the milk chocolate. Can you see that? Get close up of that. It melts a little longer. Well, I mean, it takes a little longer to melt than the white chocolate. But look, while we wait on that, check this out. I got some red velvet cream cookies, and we're gonna dip them. We're gonna dip them into the white chocolate, people. Now, isn't that gonna be exciting? I know you can't wait. I can't wait. All right, so here we go. We're going with one. We're going with two. We'll move them around a little bit. Yeah. Right? Now watch this. Watch where we go with it. We're gonna go right here with it. Get these out of the way so you can really see how it's going on. People, listen. It's all about fun. Get in the kitchen, man. Get in the kitchen and do your thing. We're gonna put some cookie sprinkles on it, people, because it ain't no certain way to make fun out of desserts. Add a little bit to it. That's all. And this is red velvet. This is red velvet cream cookies. Who's it made by, Taisha?
Oreos.
Oreo make these? Mm-hmm. Ain't that something? Now, when that cool off, that's gonna be some good looking cookies right there. Let's do. She's ready now. So you turn that off. And we're gonna dip some of these strawberries in this dark chocolate next, okay? Alright. Now Taisha is going in. She's dipping the strawberries into the milk chocolate or dark chocolate, whichever one it is. Because we did a mixture. I'm like it's clunking a little bit, but we can see how it come out. I think that's good. Alright. This is the dark chocolate. See how nice that look. That looks so good. I'm gonna put some nuts on this one. I got some pecans. And I'm gonna stick on this right here. So you see how good that look. Right, we're going in with the second one. Milk chocolate, dark chocolate mixture. Look at that. I'm gonna put some sprinkles on this one. Look at that. Look at the nuts on that one. Oh, that looks amazing. Okay, here we go. And that'll be. Okay, so this is what we got. People, we not professional candy makers. I have to stress that. It's because this is all from amateur candy makers. You have the red velvet Oreo cookies dipped in white chocolate with sprinkled with Oreos, crushed red velvet Oreos. Then we have the strawberries dipped in white chocolate. We have a strawberry here that's dipped in white chocolate with the red velvet Oreos. Then we have a couple of strawberries in white chocolate with sprinkles. Then we have the dark chocolate. We have the strawberry dark chocolate with pecans. You have your Valentine Day Ding Dong. We have some cluster of chocolate covered strawberries, some with sprinkles, as well as the chocolate covered red velvet cookies with sprinkles and with nuts. And then Taisha got very creative with this. This is a pear covered in silver with dipped in chocolate with pecans. And that looked amazing. Let me get a close up of this. This kind of like takes the cake. It's like the most amazing shot of it all to me anyway. But and we're gonna try some of it. We're gonna try one. Taisha, you're gonna try one. Which one are you gonna try, Taisha?
Maybe one of these chocolate strawberries with the sprinkles.
All right, try one of those.
These.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
All right, I'm gonna try one of these cookies right here.
Good choice.
I'm going for the white chocolate covered red velvet. Look at that.
Mmm.
Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 That is amazing. This is really good. Now, I know you've been waiting for this. This is what you're waiting. This is what you want to hear. You want to hear how you're going to win this apron right here. This is how you win this apron. All right? Smash the like button. Subscribe to my channel, Curtis Roundtree TV. And in the comments below, you put "We in the Kitchen Again." One more time. Smash the like button. Subscribe to my channel, Curtis Roundtree TV. And in the comments below, you put "We in the Kitchen Again." And you can win this free apron. Don't put your name in the drawing box. And, pull it out. I'll let you know. Just stay tuned on what day we're going to have the drawing so you can win this holiday apron. Chocolate Candy Day, people. Some people call it Valentine's Day. I call it Chocolate Candy Day. But anyway, you smash that like button. Subscribe to Curtis Roundtree TV. In the comments below, you put "We in the Kitchen Again." And you're going to win this here apron. Alright? Let me go back and win this candy right here one more time. It's so good.